Let's see if we got the mail today. IRS. Good job back in there. My favorite parcel box. 30. Oh, it's a toy. The wash Sweet Sally, she's getting dusty. Can't leave her dirty for too long. See if I can make this a short video. Open her up one-handed if I can. eBay purchase. Just wrong. Board. I was going to do this without editing it. It's going to be a jumble mess. Dirty floorboards. That's my local post office. Usually about every couple of months, somebody runs up over the sidewalk and knocks the bricks in on the wall. They have to fix it for some reason. I don't know what they do. Boy, they got her packed. All right. Y'all like my shaky video. And what do we have here? This unboxing. God, money, I'm filming all over the place. The dog pissing in the snow all over the place. This is a beauty. I would like this one. I've been wanting this one for a while, son. eBay. Ooh, look at there. Pristine condition. The Plymouth Duster Thruster Hotwheels Performance. It is a 2011 model. Man, that card's pristine. But I'm dying to just crack it. Crowder cams. Chrome blown engine. No hood. Love it purple. You got your headers coming out. Chrome base. Handshaking. I've been working all day. Man, it is a beauty. I'm dying to crack it. I got it cheap, but I don't know if I'm gonna crack it or not. I might crack it. It is a beauty. You want to tell me what y'all think about it in the comments if you want to. Like it if you want to. Sub if you want to. I'd appreciate everybody that watches my videos. I'll catch y'all on the flip side.